So what's going on, y'all? So y'all haven't seen the car, so everybody been telling me get them a POV, give them a walk around the car, you know, and start making more videos, longer videos on YouTube about the Hellcat. So this is my 2019 Hellcat. This actually was a narrow body, and I made wide body. You know, it was too expensive at the time to purchase a wide body. And look at that, it turned out great. And actually this is an OEM white body kit, everything from the fenders to the skirts to the bumper, front and back bumper. And I also had to get the white body back doors because it had that little white body flare on it. So everything on there is original OEM white body kit. I'm also gonna show y'all what I got done under the hood, but this is my Hellcat right there. So 2019 and 2019 narrow body 2019 narrow body Hellcat, and I had the white body OEM install on it. It looked great, right? Let me know what y'all think. What y'all think? Turned out to be great. So I'm gonna show y'all under the hood. So here we go. This is under Kitty's brain right here. You can see the green belt. So I got the lower pulley done. I got lower pulley. I also got 1000cc injectors, leg maker, and a 180 thermostat, oil catch can, as you can see. Probably gotta tighten this a little bit more, but oil catch can, as you can see. Everybody been asking me to give them a POV of the Hellcat with me driving the Hellcat, so you know, I decided to give y'all a POV at nighttime. I don't know why everybody hate the Hellcat, man, but it's just the type of people that really own the Hellcats these days doing them stupid ass takeovers, man. That's why people don't really like them. But if you're just a regular car guy that just love cars, period, you're gonna love this car. This car is very fun to drive. I love it, honestly. I don't think I'm gonna sell it. I don't think I'm gonna sell my kitty at all. So how y'all doing, man? Everybody been telling me to make longer videos. I've been making a lot of short videos, shorts. Pass this guy real quick. So like I was saying, I've been making a lot of YouTube shorts, you know, with the racing scene, the straight racing scene. So, you know, everybody been telling me, you know, make some longer videos, make some POVs. So I'm gonna give you all a little POV tonight, man. I'm gonna start making a lot of longer videos. I'm gonna start vlogging more with me driving the Hellcats and start doing a lot more POVs with y'all, man. So I hope y'all like this video right here. Like, again, subscribe to the channel, like the channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos for y'all, so let me know how y'all like this video and how I could do better on it, improve it. What's going on here, man? Nobody on the road right now. Nobody on the road. What time it is? Oh, it's 12:26. Where's everybody at? I'm 12:26. Man, this light is taking forever. About time, Jesus. What's this guy doing? Damn, those lights are long as hell, man. Doing some POV for y'all, man. Let me know how y'all like this POV, man. I don't know about y'all, but I love my Hellcat, bro. A lot of people talk about the Hellcat's overrated, man. I'm telling you, I don't think I'm ever gonna sell my Hellcat. This Hellcat took me a long way with subscribers and on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. I don't think I'm ever gonna sell this Hellcat. I'm gonna keep it, make it faster. Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. Come on now. And I love this car. I don't know how everybody be saying the Hellcat is overrated, man. First of all, I do not be doing takeovers in my car, man. You know what I mean? If you take care of this car, it's gonna take care of you. It's gonna last a long time. Since I've been having this car since 2019, I put all the miles on this car. All the miles on this car. Bought this car brand new. All the miles on it. So once this car hit 100,000 miles, I'm gonna rebuild the engine. 426. My Hellcat ain't going nowhere, man. She ain't going nowhere, baby. And she sound good. Yes, sir. Driving that motherfucker like a stick shift. Driving the Cat automatic like a stick shift, baby. You know, we're gonna get a lot of hate in this video, but it is what it is, man. We're gonna continue pushing some good videos, some good POVs for y'all. I realize y'all like them POVs for some reason, so we're gonna be making some more POVs. I figured I'd do the POV for y'all tonight because of the steering wheel. It lit up. You know, I think it's pretty cool at night. We got the starlights. We got the starlights in the ceiling. We got 800 and 808, 808 horsepower. That's decent enough. That's good enough for me until I'm ready to go crazy. 1,000 horsepower, you know, E85, all that crazy shit. But right now, I loving the power I'm making. It's okay for me. I can play with that. You know what I mean? Whew, that feels so good, man. God, Jesus. Sheesh. We got a Subaru. He wants some smoke. Come on, man. You don't want this. Come on, bro. This Subaru is trying to play games. Come on, bro. You don't want no smoke. Come on, man. You're wasting my time right now. You don't want no smoke. So what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mopar Crazy. Let me know what y'all think about this POV right here. And just a quick intro of the Hellcat. A lot of people have been telling me I need to be making more videos of the Hellcat, showing the Hellcat a little bit more and showing y'all some POV. So I give y'all my first POV tonight, and I'm gonna come back with a lot more POV and making a lot more longer videos. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel. My channel name is the same name for all my social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, and also you could find me on Facebook. Hey, my peeps, I see y'all later. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the subscribers I've been getting, all the love I've been getting. I'm gonna be posting a lot more race videos for y'all and a lot more longer videos for y'all. So peace out. See y'all in the next video.